how to fill up form on PDF on mobile. So if you want to fill up a form on PDF on your mobile, then what you need to do is, first of all, you need to have Microsoft 365. So if you don't have the application, you need to open up your Play Store, and from the Play Store, you need to search for Microsoft 365 and then install this. Once you have the Microsoft 365, you need to tap on Open. After opening, if you don't have an account, then just make sure that you have created one. And after creating, just go and log into your account. Once you create it, you need to just go back like this. You need to come to the home page. Now, once you're on your home page, if you want to fill up the form on PDF, then what you need to do is just simply go with My Files, which is right here. Tap on My Files, and from your files, you need to go with the file or the application form. You'll have the file right here. So you just need to simply tap on the application form or the fill up form. You need to just tap on it and you'll have the form and you'll be able to fill up the form. You can just simply go with the pencil shaped icon, which will be on the bottom left. First, make sure that you tap on the PDF once and this will pop out on the bottom, and then go with edit, which is on the left side. Tap on edit and you'll be able to add some text. Go with text, which will be on the top. You'll have T icon and then add some text if you want to, or just made some adjustments, or in this way you'll be able to fill up a form on PDF on your mobile. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.